very clearly discussed about what is Git, what is GitHub, and then what is version control, what are advantages of version control. Next and after that, what deployment, I mean deployment platform, hosting platform, remote hosting platform, all those things we discussed very clearly, right? So now, what is the next cinema we require to take care? What the next point we have to take care is very simple: how to install Git and how to log in, create an account into the GitHub. How to create an account into the GitHub and the implementation, all these things, right? So the first step what we have to do is, sir, install. So first aware these words are very clear, I hope. So first my project is there in the local machine, sir. First my project is there in the local machine. Okay, now I have to create git repository. I have to create git repository of my project in my local machine. Assume that it's the git repository, right? Okay, to make a git repository, compulsory we require to install git in our system. Okay, well, so first step is okay, it is the local machine. It's the local machine. Next, by using git, I created one git repository like this, right? Now this git repository, I want to upload to the GitHub. Regarding that, I want to upload to the GitHub is remote hosting server. Sir, this is the GitHub. Observe that a bit very carefully, sir. GitHub. Now I moved my application to the GitHub. Now from the local machine to GitHub remote. Now from here, now my application is available online, right? Now, sir, I can deploy inside AWS, or Python anywhere, or Heroku, like these are DigitalOcean, like so these things are deployment platforms, right? Okay, these are by default considered as deployment platforms. Are you getting deployment platforms like? So maybe the first one is sir, here I'm taking, it may be AWS, next and after that it may be Python anywhere.com, Python anywhere. Okay, next and after that it may be Heroku, like this, right? Heroku, like sir, it may be Heroku, something like these are various deployment platforms, whatever, DigitalOcean, like the various deployment platforms. Once our application is online, I will create one clone copy here, clone copy here. So from the online, moving to any deployment platform is a very easy, sir. Remember that. So I hope you are in a position to understand. Sir, Git repository is there. That Git repository project I have to upload to the GitHub. Next and after that, sir, I have to okay, move from the GitHub into AWS or Python anywhere, Heroku, something like that, right? Okay, these are things must be required for you people. Just aware, sir. Okay, now the first question, first step what we have to take care is, sir, we require to install Git in our system. Regarding how to install Git, first step one is install Git in our system, sir. How to install Git? Sir, Git is do you know what is the Git? Git is a rare respond. What is the Git, sir? What is the Git? Git is a version control software, version control system. Git itself is a version control system, like clear case. Next and after that, like a TFS, team foundation server, TFS, like Git is just open source, like open source, of course. It is the open source freeware. Next, it is the version control system. Okay, well, now how you can able to do that, sir? Sir, you can take just open the Google, highly recommended. Why you have to type that website name? Okay, Git download. Okay, Git download for Windows. Regarding Git download for Windows, like this you can type Git download for Windows. Have you observed, right? Now this is the link what we have. Okay, let me click this one, sir. git download for Windows. Okay, like 32-bit or 64-bit or automatically it is downloading, man. Automatically it is downloading whenever we are taking. Sir, git download Windows like this, right? It's the freeware open source. Okay, well, now here just it is downloading, sir. Git 2.19.164 exe file. It is downloading. So if your download is starting, automatically downloading is going to start, sir. If I can go there, yes, it is downloaded. It is downloaded. Yes, it's already there. Just but anyway, I want to show for you people, right? Sir, that's all. This is already it is there, sir. Long days before. Okay, 11/1, maybe November 1st somewhere. Okay, now this is here like this, right? So now what we require to take care is just a exe file, right? Just a double click this one. Exe file, right? Just a double click this one. Run like this, right? Okay, run like I'm taking. Now here just observe that, sir, license agreement. Okay, next here just have you observed, right? Additional icons on the desktop, Windows Explorer integration, dot. So we are not required to worry at all. Just next. Okay, use okay, git default editor. Next. Here just take a bit very special case. We have here we require use git from git bash only, or use git from the Windows command prompt, use git and optional Unix tools from the Windows command prompt like this, right? So highly recommended, better to go for use git from git bash only. The biggest advantage is what the advantage we are going to have is if you are going to take normal command prompt, some commands may not work, some commands may not work. That's why so better to use git from git bash only. This is one area. It is not by default. Remember this one, sir. It is by default. It may not. It may be pointing here. So compulsory we have to take. Okay. Anyway, even for command prompt also no problem at all. But this one is recommended. Okay, like this, right? So use open SSL library. We are not required to worry. Everything is the default only. Everything itself is the default only, like this, right? Okay, enable symbolic links and so on. We are not required to worry about all these things. I don't know. So just go through that. Yes, it may take a few seconds. Just wait. So what we are doing? Yeah, Vinod, I hope it may be possible. What we are doing, can you please spell out? Installing git. Just a matter of 1 minute. Don't worry, sir. Just of course you should aware complete cycle. Okay, well, launch git bash, view release notes, finish. That's all, sir. Git now install in my local machine. Okay, that's all, sir. How you can, where is the, I hope after installation automatically you are going to see this git bash. Regarding automatically you can able to see your git bash, right? Git bash you can able to see, sir. Remember that. Okay, sir. Now I want to just observe it very carefully, sir. Okay, like this. This is the git bash. Regarding this is the git bash. Something like Linux or Unix console like a git bash. Okay, it is the more powerful than normal command prompts. Normal command prompts. Some commands may not work. That's why so highly recommended you should go for this one, right? Okay. Now what we can do is just very simple, sir. Create a folder, sir. I want to create a git repository. Regarding I require to create a git repository. This is about my requirement, right? Regarding git repository I require to create, sir. So how to create git repository, right? Sir, very simple. What you can take is, sir, anywhere you can take one folder. Okay, let me go to e drive. Next, here I'm taking just let me go to e drive. Here I'm taking a new folder. Can you please create a new folder, sir? Sir, what create a folder? My repo are getting my repository repo, sir. 2 I'm taking. Just observe that my repo 2 I'm taking, sir. That's all. Sir, now this is just my repository like this, right? Sir, now copy our required folders, copy our required files to this folder for tracking purpose. So if any changes are there, can you please create a new screenshot for those changes and so on? Okay, like I want to do that. Okay, can I go directly for the application? Yes, friends, can I go directly for the application? Yes, why not? Okay, directly we can go for a small application. Okay, what we can do is, let me go for, so just I'm taking a small application which is there at the beginning, sir. Okay, at the beginning it is there. Here movie project, static files, all those things are there. Movie project I'm taking. 1 minute. Let me start the server. How it will be? Is it going to run or not? Because in the live I want to see this one, sir. The Django. Okay, movie project. Am I using any models like okay, like, oh, movie models are also there, no problem at all. Okay, even models also it is there, sir. uh, or let me take a simple project. Sir, even you are taking models also, no problem at all. Okay, itself is acceptable. Okay, let me start. Even if it is not going to work, we can do that. It will work, don't worry. Movie projects, sir. CD movie project. Uh, what is that? The Django projects. Okay, like, 1 minute. What is your folder? In this folder, are you seeing anywhere EMP project filter, model inheritance multi-app, second project, session project 1, like, okay, what there? Any project we can take, sir. DJ project. Do you have any such type of project here? Daytime project is there. Durga Jobs project is there. Okay, Durga Jobs project. Let me run what there inside Durga Jobs project. Durga Jobs project is there. Py nh.py run server. Okay, Hyderabad jobs. Okay, like, I will do one thing. No, not that much good. Just 1 minute, please. Django projects, DJ project. Yeah, good. Sir, if I can take Hyderabad jobs, automatically Hyderabad jobs information by default we are going to get. Okay. Even in this case, pagination is also there. All these things. Okay. Well, sir, this project, I want to take into the live, sir. Okay. Make sure. What I will take is DJ project. Okay. Let me go to, sir, here D colon D Django projects in that DJ project. Okay, DJ project I'm taking, copy. Now let me create inside my repository, just a paste, sir. That's all. Sir, what I'm trying to take, can you please observe a bit very carefully, sir? What I'm trying to take here is just I'm trying to, okay, like just I'm trying to take like this. Okay, DJ project. Whatever, create one folder. Next and after that, whatever you want, create a folder named with copy the required files for the tracking purpose. Next, the third activity, what we have to take, sir, initialize Git. Regarding up to this only two activities we did. Okay, sir, what is the third activity? Initialize Git. Regarding initialize Git, sir. Okay, go to this folder. Go to this folder from the bash. Okay, now E colon. Okay, E colon like this, right? Sir, cd E colon. Okay, now I'm currently in the E colon. Okay, E colon my report to. Okay, cd my report to, regarding my report to, like this we have. Okay, now currently we are in E colon, sir, my report to, like this, right? You are currently in that, like. Sir, now what is the next thing we require to take care? Sir, let me cross check here. Now currently you are in that DJ project. Okay, like. Sir, what initialize Git? Initialize Git, Git. How you can initialize Git is, sir, Git init. Can you please spell out what is the command we are using? What the command we are using? Git init. Okay, like if you can use this git init, what is the advantage? What is the advantage we are going to get is, take very special care, sir. What is the advantage we are going to get is, now, sir, git initialization happened. Now this folder, now git is active in related to this repository, like that, right? Initialize the empty git repository like this, right? Now have you observed, right? Slash git, one folder by default is going to be created, sir. ls, regarding ls only DJ project. But what about yes, because of this command, one hidden folder by default got created, sir. Just observe that, sir. One hidden folder by default got created, ls hyphen la. Here just observe that, just git folder is also there. DJ project is there, git folder is also there, sir. Okay, like. Sir, now if I will go there, okay, like git folder is also by default got created. LA means can you please display hidden folders also? Can you please list out hidden folders also, like git hidden folder is there, sir. So now my target is, by default git, by default git. Just 1 minute. Yes, sir. Just observe a bit very carefully, very carefully. Sir, here take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Okay. What is the here is, so just the git is ready. So if you are going to convey to the git, hey git, can you please track these things? If you are going to convey, if you are going to convey to the git, then automatically what will happen? Then automatically what will happen is, then it will take care. It will take care, right? But compulsory we have to add to the git. If any file, if you want to, sir, ask the git to track, compulsory we require add. Okay, what thing we require add is git add dot. I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Git add dot means what? I respond. Dot means what? Dot means what? Okay, dot means, do you know, just observe that we are adding. Okay, all that means current working directory, whatever there, can you please add to the git? Okay, if any changes are there, whenever you are calling commit, automatically it is going to take care about those changes, right? Okay, now I have one small doubt, sir. There is one way, if you want, you can ask, what is the status also. Regarding what is the status, git status, like, I can ask, sir, can you please tell what it's going to tell? Yes, on branch master, you are on branch master, no commits yet. Okay, git add file to include what will be committed. So this is coming in the red color means, so you didn't untracked files. So this folder currently not tracked by git. Can you please tell why it is not tracked by git? Why it is not tracked by git? Can you please tell this DJ project why it is not tracked by git? Because we didn't add this project to the git. That's why, sir. Okay, well, now what I want to take is, sir, here git add. Okay, here just I'm taking dot, sir. In the current working directory, whatever there, can you please add like this, right? Okay, now it is going to added. Okay, like it is added, like. So now I will ask again, what is the status? Can you please observe what is the status, like this, right? Now the status, here it is going to tell changes to be committed. These many changes you require to commit, just you added something like this, right? So now what is the way, sir? Up to this, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Don't get confused, sir. We created a folder which acts as git repository. So, and in that folder, the required files I added. Regarding the required files, added to that folder. Next, sir, git initialization, so that git is active, git is available. Now we require to add the required files to the git for tracking purpose. We required to add the required files to the git for tracking purpose. Regarding for tracking purpose, like this, right? For tracking purpose, like I'm taking. Okay, how you can able to do that here? Git we can able to take git. Okay, just add, and then whatever file names, file name 1 comma file name 2, like file name 1 file name 2, like this. Instead of that, just simply dot, then all the things present inside directory by default will be added to the git for tracking purpose. At any point of time, if you want to know status, then git status, like we can able to ask. Can you please, are you in the position to understand thoda? Even especially the people who don't know about the git, who don't know about the git, compulsory you people should have clear clarity about this one, sir. Git status, like this, right? Okay, well, so now what is the next thing we have to take care? We added, if you want, you can add only specific files, but dot means, because we created repository separately. There everything I need required to track. That's why dot like this. Instead of dot, if you want, you can specify only required files for tracking purpose also. It is also acceptable. Okay, well. So now what is the next thing we have to take? Git commit. Again, what the next one we require to take a commit the changes whatever we did. So next commit the changes, whatever we did, sir, whatever we did. So can you please commit changes like this, right? Sir, what is the command we require to use? Get can you please tell git commit. If you want to add any message, -m, just you can provide your own comment. Okay, first commit or second commit, something like this, you can able to do that, sir. No problem at all. Sir, this is the command. Can you please tell what is the command we require to use? Git. Oh, please respond. Git. Yeah, I forgot. Git commit -m followed by first commit, something like you can able to specify. Wow, wonderful. Now your application is ready with the Git repository. Now you can export this application. We can export this application to GitHub. This repository to GitHub. No problem at all. Can I go for that? Yes, friends. Okay, that's it. Up to Git. Any doubt? Just only these are things whatever we did, sir. Just of course, there is a Git separately. If you want, we can have some separate tutorials how you can make changes and so on. But here currently our requirement is. Okay. Do you know we require to upload. I mean deploy our application, right? Now, if you want, you can ask a status. Now currently what is the status? You can ask, sir, git status like this, right? Git status, nothing is commit, so everything is clean. Are getting working tray is clean. But earlier, do you know if you ask these many files are there, man, you didn't commit these changes like now, no more changes, sir. It's a working tree clean, right? No problem. What is the next thing I require to take care? What the next one? I require to take care, sir. Sir, here very simple. So GitHub account must be required first. Regarding GitHub account must be required first. Okay, this is the first thing, right? Sir, how you can create GitHub account? What is the website name? Can you please tell? What is the website name? GitHub.com. Okay, currently something there. Is there any account login or something? Django Durga is there, sign out. I don't want to use that. Okay, now here just the username. So just take a bit very special care. Django projects here 9 p.m. Okay, like this, right? Django projects 9 p.m. This is the username I'm taking, sir. Now listen, or otherwise here this is the username. Okay, I'm taking, or OT like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, now here just I'm taking email. Just can you please just I'm taking my another email, Durga TOC @gmail.com. Okay, create a password. 1 minute, sir. Sir, my password is GitHub 12345. Okay, like this I'm taking GitHub 12345 like this I'm taking, sir. Now sign up for GitHub, sir. Any doubt? Any doubt? Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Okay, just now my new GitHub account is got created. Django projects OT GitHub 12345. Please remember my username and the password, right? Okay, next, sir, what is the create verify account? Please solve this puzzle so that you are a real person. Okay, what this puzzle, man? Touch the arrow to roll the image. What is that? What it is telling? What, man? Touch the arrow. Touch the arrows. Okay, and the image is currently way up. Touch it down. Then touch the arrows to roll the image. Is the correct way of touch done. Okay, thanks. Hurry. What happened, man? Touch the completely rolling inverse on four legs. Inverse. Okay, maybe I will do one thing. Then check. Then good. Oh, thanks, man. Okay, creating account. Okay, well, sir, completed. Next and after that, here maybe security reasons. Okay, here help me to set up an organization, send me updates. Okay, continue like this, right? Continue. Okay, completed. First step, what you are interested. Okay, it's so how would you describe your level of programming experience? Somewhat experienced. Next and after that, development, like which classes, which is the closest and the professional. Okay, what are you interested? Submit or skip this step. Okay, well, sir, that's all. Anyway, so one free account got created, right? Up to this, any doubt? Can you please observe that? Up to this, any doubt? Okay, clear. Okay, now what I have to take is, sir, take a bit special care. Here, repositories, you don't have any repositories yet. You don't have any repositories yet. Okay, new repository like this. Let me take, sir. Okay, please verify your email address. Please verify your email address. Okay, if so even I didn't remember that mail ID also, right? Ayyo. Somewhere I used it randomly. Okay, passwords, all these things, it's my oldest mail. Okay, please verify something like, yeah, thank God. Okay, well, sir, verification completed, I hope. Verification completed, I hope. Okay, done. Okay, your email was verified. Okay, well, now new repository. Okay, now I want to take new repository. Okay, like now, yeah, now here this is my id, Django projects id, repository name, sir. Okay, sir, here you can take any repository, right? Okay, Django already used Durga jobs project, Durga jobs project. Okay, your will be created, yeah, Durga jobs project, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, this is the repository, like description. Here we observed, is it public or private? Is it public or private? Can you please tell? Here it will be created something like iPhone symbol. It is the public, sir. Can I go to the private? If you want to take private, immediately upgrade your account, credit card or PayPal account, like this, right? It is so it is the public only. Next, next and after that, initialize this repository with like this. We are not required to worry about create repository. Okay, a repository by default will be created. Repository by default will be created like this, right? So now, what is our repository name? Durga Jobs Project, like this, right? Okay. So Durga Jobs Project, like we created repository, right? Okay. Now this is the URL, sir. This is the URL. So if any person happily, you can able to share this URL, okay, to access our account. Okay, like now here what I want to take is, this is the very important, this is the very important, sir. Okay, like what we have to take care here, do you know, these commands, just copy these commands, here, just have a look once, sir. Sir, echo read me. I want to, sir, what is our next step? I want to, sir, into this repository, I want to move from my local machine into this repository. Okay, sir, like this one, sir. What we have to take? Git init, already we did. Git commit -m first commit, already we did or not? Can you please tell? Already we did or not? Yes, we did already this activity also. Sir, now if you can use okay, like this command here, just observe that these two commands from the git bash console, automatically our project, whatever current commit will be moved to GitHub. Okay, 1 minute, sir. I'm not sure. Here, let me execute on the bash console. Here, just the copy. Here, paste. Enter. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Yes, here, like no problem. Just git remote add origin. Just I'm adding this origin, right? What is the next last command? Can you please observe that? Git push origin master. Okay, like sir, this is the command which is going to move our project, our repository, local repository into GitHub repository, right? Okay, now let me paste. But if I can take like this, definitely it will ask username and password of our GitHub. Let me cross check. Here. Yes, unable to access GitHub remote permissions, like unable to access GitHub Django projects OT. Durga, the requested URL return 403 status code. What is the problem with that? It's already there, right? SSH is not required. HTTP yes only. Let me remote origin already exists. So remote origin wise, no problem at all. Only this is the command may be the problem. Origin master, like it should ask for username and password. Remote permission to Django projects denied to unable to access this repository. Maybe The requested URL returned error 403. 1 minute, sir. We are doing any mistake? No. Yeah. Here just 1 minute. Durga jobs project, okay, updated. Let me consider add new repository. 1 minute, sir. Durga jobs project repo, like this I'm taking public. Next, initialize this repository with readme. Create description optional. Create repository. Now the second repository I'm taking. This is the readme file we are getting. One minute. Just wait for a minute. Report 2. Create a repository. Report 2. Already we did all these things. Okay, it is not required to do all these activities. Yeah, Shashank, actually not required. Okay, it is taking the previous one. Okay, maybe. Yeah. I may use previous credentials, right? That may be because earlier I used another GitHub account, right? Maybe it may be the problem. Let me cross check, sir. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just if it is the case, I will log into that account only. Copy. This is the different thing. Remote origin already exists. It should ask username and password, but it is failing. Means the problem we identified. Later we will take that. 1 minute. You want me to try this one, Shashank? 1 minute, sir. Just is there any? Is it going to work or not? We will just if it is not going to work, we will take care. Sir, git config global username, the Django projects voting. Next, git config global user email. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Okay. Now Here just a bash clear. Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah, good. Now it's reflecting. Can you please observe that? Now it's reflecting, right? Django projects OT and Durga TOC at the rate gmail.com. No problem at all. Just we changed it. We changed that. Okay. Just what I want to take here is Q. If I type Q, then automatically we are coming to normal console, sir. Okay. Now have a look once. Here just let me copy. Yes, remote already exists. Next this one push. Now the requested URL return 403 access. So it's about a very good learning for you people. Okay, please make sure once we use some account for the GitHub enable. Okay, so SSH also I tried. Yeah. Now what we can do is just now there is a bigger problem. Eh? New repository. Just one minute. First we require to, because already installed Git GitHub I used, right? Let me cross check, sir. Okay. Durga TOC, Django projects OT. It is by default considering properly. Then let me try username and password successfully we change.